channel. I'm back again to show you all the first look of the song Pachtaoge, which I had done it second time. So if you haven't watched my first video, that is the second look of the song, the swan look, then please go back to my channel. I will list the link of it, and please go through that video as well, so that you can know what I have done with my base makeup there. And for the first look that resembles Mother Mary's look, I am not going to work anything so much. I'm just going to rectify some of the makeup stuff like my lipstick and my eye makeup. First of all, I am removing my lipstick with the micellar water of Garnier. I'm cleaning my lips with it, and then I will be applying some concealer around my mouth, doing a touch-up. I'm going to set my under eyes makeup again because there is some cracks, so I'm applying a little bit of concealer and again dabbing it with my beauty blender. And now I'm setting my under eyes with the Studio Fix of MAC, and even around my mouth to set my base and to make it look a little fresh than before. I will be setting up the whole face again with the MAC Studio for a touch-up. Now I am creating a crease to give a depth on my eyes, and just a very soft crease, blending it out and coating again with the mascara. I'm applying mascara all over very well, in lower lash line and upper lash line. And finishing the makeup with the lipstick, a very red lipstick. I have used lip liner of myglam and then the lipstick of Huda Beauty. You can see the red lipstick is so intense. I have brushed my hair very neatly and applied a lot of hairspray, and I have given a shape using my section clip. You can see the clips around my hair. Now because of the spray, it is dried out and I got that shape which I wanted. It is giving a retro kind of look which I love so much. The very important is the hair, which have changed all my look, and the lens and the lipstick I have put on, which has changed my overall look, and my base makeup is just the same. How did you like my look? Please do comment below in the comment section. I have not done anything much, keeping the base makeup same, just changing few things. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if not, then do like my video and share my video. I will soon meet you guys with a brand new video again. If you guys want me to create some other look, please do comment me below in the comment section. I will be very happy to present you the look again. See you guys, bye bye, and take care.